Hey, I want to talk about opportunity costs. And if you stay with me through the end of this video, you're going to learn about the biggest opportunity cost that may be costing you right now. So, I'm on my way out to this plastic surgeon. I messed up and got hurt. So 39 stitches and I got some dead skin going on or something. It's I don't have a lot of feeling in certain areas of where the wound is. So I don't know what that means, but we're going to find out. But the opportunity cost, what that means is right now I'm missing out on doing some gig work. So there's going to this doctor's creates opportunity cost, because going to this doctor's means that I'm losing out on making money by doing gig work. This camera looks a little bit skewed, doesn't it? There we go. Is that a little better? I don't know. It does on my end. Anyway, so there could be opportunity costs the other way too. Let's say I went ahead and did gig work and I skipped the appointment. Well, the opportunity cost might be, first of all, that my health is jeopardized or put into a place where the outcome might not be very good. Maybe they would have to chop off my arm. I don't know. But so opportunity cost is kind of a big deal. Like when you're sitting in a parking lot waiting for a batch and you're watching your phone. Well, that's the opportunity cost in that is, what could you be doing with that time that you're not doing when you're sitting there watching the app? That's opportunity cost, because you're not actually making money during that time. And yeah, I get it. It's necessary, but it's also considered an opportunity cost, because you could be doing something else. You could be looking for another job. You could be doing something creative. Maybe you could be creating a video, right? If you have a YouTube channel, could you put it down in the comments down below? I'd like to check it out. Check it out. No, I don't want to check it out. And I don't want to get into a chat fight. So any haters, you're welcome to make a comment and I will respond, although you may not like it, FYI. Oh, by the way, this video is for entertainment and educational purposes only. There is no guarantee on income. Just saying. Just so we get that cleared up and we keep moving on here, because let's see. Oh, we're way past the 2-minute mark. My average, you know what? That really sucks. That's what sucks about some of the videos that I'm doing. I'm just not, I don't know, I'm not connecting enough for people to watch all the way through. And I'm not sure why that is. It could be that I just suck. And that's okay. I can always do better. I can evaluate where people are dropping off and then figure out from there. So there would be an opportunity cost in that also. The time that I spend trying to figure out how I can please other people, I could be doing something to please myself. But making sure that other people are happy with what I'm producing and the content that comes out is somewhat, happy. It makes me happy. So I do want to do better. Anyway, so what is the biggest opportunity cost that you're missing out on right now? Well, it's probably because you don't have any passive residual income working for you in the background. You're doing gig work, trading your time for money, and what you're missing out on, the opportunity cost, is you don't have something working for you on autopilot. You don't have a way that is creating an income stream that is 90% hands-free. And you know how we're supposed to be hands-free in all of the things we do regarding gig work. You're not supposed to have the phone in the lap in your hand. I've done all that though. I'm not judging. And I know it's tough because, it just is. It just is. Ooh, yeah. Did you hear that? That's called stay in your lane. Patrick. Stay in the lane. Anyway, so I have found the best passive residual income platform ever. And I swear to God, I have not found anything as good as this opportunity. And it's perfect for me. I mean, it may be, or maybe not perfect for you, but you won't know until you check it out. And there'll be a link down in the comments or the pinned comments or whatever, in the description, something. It's down there where I'm pointing. Check it out. But I have not found anything else that even comes close to this opportunity, especially since I don't have a lot of time and I'm not the sharpest tack in the box. So, I need some help. And this system does like 90% of the heavy lifting for me, because AI is working for you, and instead of you having to work for the AI man, which is what we do when we're trading time for money, right? So anyway, I would say the biggest opportunity cost you are missing out on is not creating a way for you to be making money while you're stuck looking at the app in a parking lot, or when you're shopping, or when you're driving and delivering, or when you're just driving. You need something. When you're sleeping. My friend who helped me get into this opportunity, he just did a video. I should do a shout out for Eric Johnson, and I'm gonna have to figure out what his. I'll try to put it in the comments what his channel ID is, because he'll be commenting. So just look for him in the comments and check out his channel. But definitely sign up with me. Okay? Yeah, my link is down below. But the thing is, though, is that he's making, while he's sleeping, he's making $1,000 to $2,000 a day. And wow, can you freaking imagine that? You just wake up and you just made $1,000. What? I was just sleeping. Yeah, well, you've created a passive flow of income, and now you're getting paid on autopilot. Oh, that sounded terrible. I mean, I'm just trying to be more exciting, trying to transfer my excited energy. Anyway, that's all I got for this video. So I'll give you an update on what the plastic surgeon has to say. I hope he lets me rototill my garden, because I really want to do that. I really want to go work in the yard and do some painting and stuff, and not have to be concerned about what's happening with my arm. So anyway, I'll catch you on the next video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.